Do you know when you've been looking at a little unfinished DIY project for far too long? You're not alone. Oh no, I don't mean that one. That's a big project. I mean a little project. Stuff like this. You see, this pendant here has remained like this for the past 2 years. And the reason why I know that is because look, I've still got the bag on it from when I sprayed the whole room. There's loads of cobwebs. It's pretty disgusting, really. Lou's always had a bit of an obsession about chandeliers. Now, I didn't want to get one myself, but soon as I've left that pendant like that for a couple of years now, I had a look on Facebook Marketplace last night and I've seen a chandelier and it's absolutely free. Now, that doesn't necessarily mean that it fits the space, but I'm almost there. I'm going to grab it in a second and then we're going to put it up. Hopefully you should be happy with it. I just had to transfer it from the car to the van so she wouldn't see it. Lou's gone out for an hour. I've got an hour to clean it, put it up, and then we will see her reaction when she walks in. I don't know whether she's going to mind that this isn't fully glass. This bit's glass, most of it's plastic. Do you know what? I do actually have a chandelier. I have got one myself. It's not to say I don't like chandeliers at all, but obviously there's a time and a place. I just decided it doesn't really go in here. It's quite like vintage, like old school. I bought it to go with an antique oak French bed that I've got. Thank God this bracket come with it. I was panicking for a minute. Cobwebs. Oh, go on. Why aren't you going on? Okay, I need my ladder now. Okay, I just need to connect up them little wires. I'm going to use these little Wagos where you flip it down, like so. Okay, we're going to turn it on. I have no idea if all the light bulbs work. One down. I wonder if I got one somewhere.
What are you doing?
Have we got any light bulbs anywhere from the flat?
Didn't we leave them all?
We couldn't have left all of them, surely. The fact that I'm sitting here admiring it probably means it ain't half bad. This £120 new, so because it's free, surely she can't complain, surely. We'll find out in a minute when she's back from the shops. Whilst we're waiting, I might as well tell you next week we're going to do an end of year Q&A session. So if you want to know anything, drop your questions in the comments below. Coming in.
Alright.
How is that horrible? I don't understand.
Is it Laura Ashley?
Yes.
Oh, I like it then. Oh, it's lovely.
Yeah, that's like £400, no?
I love Laura Ashley. It's not really Laura Ashley.
Yes, it is. It's £400. Well, it didn't go down well in the end. I wish I never bothered, to be honest with you. Price means how much you like something, basically. So when you get it for free, it means it's shit. The kind of thing that she would be happy with would be something like this. And that's just not the kind of money that I would be willing to spend. She also said that it doesn't go in here, which is what I said all along. I'm sure there's some kind of like moral of the story here, probably something related to the Christmas Carol or something. I'm tempted to just take it down and just whack that other thing back up. Have a nice Christmas.